Hello folks, we are talking about OSI layer model and we already gone through some lectures. So it's been mentioned that traffic move up and down the OSI model. So when an application sends traffic, it has to go through each layer of the OSI model. This process is called encapsulation. So here is an example of how encapsulation and decapsulation work. For example, here is a sender A going to send some traffic over to sender B. As he sends that user data into the application layer, 7 header is added. How it is added, you can see. As B received the traffic, the layer 2 header stripped off. First we will go through all the headers, how we add headers. For example, add layer application, layer 7 add its header, and then presentation add its header, and the same all layers added their header to the data. So and all add their headers, and then that traffic is passed out onto the layer from one network to another. As B receives the traffic, the layer 2 header is stripped off. The traffic is then passed up to the next layer, which is layer 3. Layer 3 read that header information, figure out how to handle the traffic, strip out of that layer 3 header, passes it up to layer 4. Layer 4 read the layer 4 header and strip off that header, pass it up to layer 5. Layer 5 read the header, figure out what to do, strip that header off, pass it up to layer 6. Layer 6 read the header strip off, and then it passed to the 7 layer. Now that's we are layer 7. At the application layer, we are presenting the data back to the application, back to the user, and we send up with data communication. Now this happen in both direction as the traffic is passed back and forth. So this is all about from OSI layer. Now we are moving to the next TCP/IP model, and then we will go to the introduction to the internet protocol on the coming lecture. So see you on TCP/IP model.